Located in north central San Antonio is this amazing corner lot home at 14127 Gray Wing Street. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and is 2,531 square feet. The floor plan is wide open, and there are amazing updates all throughout the home. The kitchen has all custom cabinetry, appliances, as well as custom fixtures. This home has 2 master bedrooms, with one being located downstairs. The downstairs master bathroom has a walk-in closet, garden tub, and tile everywhere. The upstairs master bedroom is very spacious and carpeted, and it has a pretty cool walk-in closet. The upstairs master bathroom has custom fixtures, same as the kitchen. Both secondary bedrooms have ceiling fans, beautiful carpet, and enough space for family and guests to feel right at home. The secondary bathroom even has a double vanity, along with granite countertops and again, tile everywhere. The backyard is huge, with several trees providing cover from the sun, a well-maintained fence, and a wooden deck that is perfect for grilling in the summer. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.